Welcome to GK Mojo. So in this part 4 of must solve questions for TISSNET and TISSNET, we are going to see a very important topic, that is questions on permutation and combination. Alright, so in this target test 2021 series, we are covering all those topics which are absolutely vital with respect to your TISSNET. Right, so I've tried to cover all variety of questions related to permutation combination, at least in this video. All right, I'll just take some representative questions which I feel are very important to set up your concepts. Right, we'll just be continuing with this series, so I'm just going to cover all sorts of questions as we go ahead. Right, but make it a point that you solve the question beforehand, before I give you the solution. Let's get started with the video. A boy has 9 pants and 12 t-shirts. In how many ways can he select a pant and a shirt? Alright, so basically this guy has 9 pants and 12 t-shirts. A very common template which is asked usually in permutation combination for easy to moderate level examinations. Alright, so basically this boy can select one pant in how many ways? He can do that in 9 ways, right? Because he has 9 options, right? And this similar boy can select one shirt in how many ways? He can do that in 12 ways, right? Because he has 12 varieties, 12 options. So the number of ways in which he can select one pant and one shirt is 9 into 12 ways, which is 108 ways, right? And how did I know that I have to multiply? See this and, right? Whenever you have and, you have to multiply. Whenever there is or, you have to add. Always keep this thumb rule in mind. So the correct answer over here is 108 ways. Let's have a look at the next question. How many 4 digits can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9? So whenever you have such a question, first of all, make it a point that you count how many digits are given to you, right? So over here, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are given to you, and you have to make 4 digit, right? You have to make a number of 4 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if I start from here, how many digits can I place over here? All right, I can place over here any digit from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 options over here. Repetition is not allowed. So whatever digit you are taking over here cannot come over here, right? So over here, how many options do you have? So arbitrarily, let's assume I took 9 over here. So now the second place has 5 options. Similarly, third place will have 4 options, and fourth place will have 3 options, right? So if you multiply this 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, you will get 360, which will be your correct answer. A question paper has 5 problems and each problem has 3 internal choices. In how many ways can a candidate attempt one or more problems? Right? So there are 5 problems and there are 3 choices. Right? So what they are saying is, in how many ways can a candidate attempt one or more problems? Right? So there's one more choice, that is not attempting. Right? So basically, what all choices does a student has? If there is like A, B, C, and one option, arbitrary option, which is not choosing any option, right? So he can go for A, he can go for B, he can go for C, or he can not choose any of the options. So basically he has 4 choices, right? And there are 5 problems. So the total number of ways in which a candidate can attempt one or more problems will be 4 to the power 5 minus 1. Now you'll ask why this one is subtracted, because the question says one or more problems. In this 4 to the power 5, there is even a scenario covered in which no question has been attempted. Every time he picks up this choice of skipping the question, right? So that is why, keep in mind, the answer will be 4 to the power 5 minus 1, which comes out to be 1023. The number of arrangements that can be made with letter word meadows so that vowels occupy the even places, right? So basically, how many letters are there in the word meadow? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Out of this, there are three vowels, E, A, and O, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the question says is that vowels occupy the even places. So let's say here vowel 1 comes, here vowel 2 comes, and here vowel 3 comes, since there are only three vowels, right? Vowels can arrange in these places 2, 4, and 6 amongst themselves in 3 factorial ways, that is 6 ways, right? Now there are 4 consonants left. Let's suppose there is consonant 1, consonant 2, consonant 3, and consonant 4. These consonants can arrange themselves in this 1, 3, 5, and 7, that is odd places, in 4 factorial ways, that is 24 ways, right? So together, what would be the answer? Answer would be 24 into 6, which is 144. Option B is your correct choice. This is a very basic and conceptual question, just a formula based question. In how many ways can 6 members be selected from a group of 10 members? Sometimes what they'll do in TISS is they'll give you a very straightforward formula based question, and you'll be thinking that is there any trick in this question, or am I forgetting something, or am I like missing out on something? So this is the way such examinations play out. So 6 members to be selected from a group of 10 members. So basically the formula for this is NCR, right? Hence the correct answer over here will be 10C6. This is your correct answer. Next question, find the number of ways of posting 4 letters in 5 letter boxes, right? So for each letter there are 5 ways of posting, right? Each letter there are 5 ways of posting, correct? So in how many, what are the number of ways in posting 4 letters in 5 letter boxes? It would be 5 to the power 4. This would be your answer. Let's have a look at question number 7 now. A bag contains 9 yellow balls, 3 white balls, and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 2 balls be drawn from the bag? So over here there's no condition. It is just generalistically saying that you have to pick up 2 balls, right? So the total number of balls, first of all, is 9 plus 3 plus 4, which is 16, right? And you have to pick up how many? 2. So the total number of ways of doing such thing, or picking up 2 balls from a bag of 16 is 16C2, right? So these are the questions which will build your basic concepts. All right, I'll move on to a tougher question in another video, but you can literally expect some variations in these questions and such type of questions in your examination as well. Question number 8, again a very important template. Mark this as important, right? This is an amalgamation of your geometry and your permutation combination. There are 30 points in a plane. How many different straight lines can be formed? So plane means there will be a plane like this and there are 30 points. They're asking how many straight lines are possible, right? So first things first, what do you require to have a straight line? 2 points joined can form a straight line, right? This is a basic concept. So when you join any 2 points, you get a straight line. So from 30 points, right? This 30 points, we need to select 2 points to get a straight line, which can be done in 30C2 ways, right? Or to solve this, I will simplify this. It will be 30 into 29 into upon 2 into 1, right? And finally you get the answer as 435, which would be your correct answer. Let's have a look at another very important template. You can just mark this as important, all right? Asterisk mark. So the question says a polygon has 6 sides. The number of diagonals of polygon is. So now they have given you the number of sides of a polygon. You have to figure out how many diagonals does this polygon have, right? So write down this formula. Number of diagonals of polygon having n sides is equals to n into n minus 3 divided by 2, right? So over here it would be 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2, right? Which is 3 into 3, which is 9. Let's have a look at question number 10. Number of ways of forming a committee of 6 members from a group of 4 men and 6 women is. So they want to form a committee of 6 members. They have not mentioned how many men or how many women they want specifically, right? So this is a straightforward question, but a lot of variants are possible in this committee type of questions, right? So the total number of members is 4 plus 6, that is 10, right? This is the total number of members. Okay, and we need to form a committee of 6. So basically this can be done in 10c 6 ways, right? So 10c6 is also equals to 10c4, right? Hence the correct answer is 210 ways. How is this 10c6 equals to 10c4? ncr is equals to nc n minus r, right? This is a formula which I have applied over here. So this is 210 ways in which this committee can be formed. So that's all in this video. Please visit us at gkmojo.com. Thank you.